Welcome to this video about our ROQSTAR managed Ethernet switches. In this video we will show you how to set up VLANs. With VLANs you can segregate the physical network into multiple logical networks. This creates different groups of devices, and the Ethernet switch will keep their communication separate. Only those devices that are in the same VLAN can communicate directly with each other. You can configure the VLANs in the web interface of our switches. By default, our switches are configured to use VLANs. If you don't need them, just turn them off. Then all ports will be able to communicate with each other. Here we already have two VLANs. One is called Management, the other is for the automatic configuration deployment function of our switches. Let's set up some more VLANs by choosing the VLAN ID and a name. You are free to choose a name, it is for documentation only. Now the switch ports must be assigned to the VLANs. We can do this at the bottom of this table. There is a column for each switch port. Both VLANs that we just created do not have any member ports yet, which is signified by a dash. It means that the port is not a part of that VLAN, and therefore the port cannot receive packets from that VLAN or send packets to other ports belonging to that VLAN. There is also the setting with the letter T, which is short for tagged. Choosing this means that Ethernet packets from this VLAN will carry a VLAN tag when they are sent out of this port. VLAN tags are required for all ports that carry more than one VLAN, for example the connection between switches. This is because the VLAN tag contains the VLAN ID. Devices that support VLAN tagging use this information to know which VLAN this packet belongs to. Any device you want to assign to multiple VLANs will need to support VLAN tagging. On the other hand, there are many devices that are only part of one VLAN. They do not need to support VLAN tagging. Packets between the switch and the device do not carry VLAN tags. They are untagged. The VLAN is assigned in the switch, where the port is set to untagged by choosing the letter U. Usually there should be only one untagged setting per port, so we need to remove the other one. Now, when those devices send untagged packets back to the switch needs to know which VLAN those packets shall go to. This is configured by the default VLAN ID. All untagged packets incoming at this port will be assigned to the VLAN with this ID. Therefore, the default VLAN ID should match the membership setting below. The VLAN that was automatically created at the beginning was configured like this. It already has untagged member ports and a matching default VLAN ID for those ports. In fact, that is the reason we can still access the web interface. We are currently using the IP address that is now assigned to the VLAN with ID number 1. This can be configured on the Management Interfaces page over here. When you have finished configuring the switch, remember to save your settings. Have a look at our support portal for more information.